Hello Excel user. What if you could have a UI where you can search within any column and with multiple options? For example, you can just search for a specific text if that particular text contains another substring or not, whatever you are searching. Or you just want to know that, okay, if that particular text has those characters in a sequence or not. Or maybe doesn't matter the sequence, you can just find that if that particular text has that particular character or not. And if you could choose a specific set of columns where you want to do the searching. Let me show you a real demo of my project where we can just select columns and it will search in those columns with the different options. So here is my add-in and I have this dynamic search, and if I click on this, it will open up this UI which is retrieving the data from this current range, and I can search by any column. Default is character in sequence. We can have multiple options like exact match, we can have character in sequence, we have character in sequence at the start, all character present, no sequence, and contains. Let's do this character in sequence. Okay, so what this means is like, I can just type out LA and it will just say where we have that particular text which has this LA in a sequence. So it will have the L first and then F second, and you can see in this section for the first one it says will with, right? So L and then A. So what if I wanted to do this? I want to only search in character in sequence and at the start. And now if I just say WW, so you can see will wait, right? So that's the first character, right? So that's how we can filter out this. Let's say I want to search for CEO. Okay, let's change this to character in sequence, she. Now you can see this doesn't has the CEO, but this one has C and then O, as this is asking for character in sequence, right? Now I can filter out this by only a specific set of columns. So for example, if I just say I want to do this searching on the product column only, okay, and then I can see chocolate, carrot, and so many more results here. Let's say if I just change this to contains, now you can see CO, this chocolate has this CO, and this is like checking if it has that particular text or not. Okay, and let's say this, no, it doesn't match anything, right? Let's say O, it doesn't match anything as well, although we have this COO in the category column, but we are searching only in this product column. Let's change this to category, and now if I just search for cookies, then I get this, right? Because this is the contains, and we have all of these options. So exact match will check if we have exact match or not. So let's say if I just wanted to do this exact match, so I can just say bars, and this should be capital letter because this is exact match. Character in sequence, so that is like in sequence, so first character will come first, second character will come second, and so on. Character in sequence and at the start of each word, so that's like will with, and all character present, no sequence. So the sequence actually doesn't matter in this section. We can just find that text where has that particular characters, and it doesn't matter in which sequence, and then contains. And it's not only that, you can just click any record, and if you click on that record, it will take you to that particular place with that particular data. So let me show you again. Navigator, dynamic search, click on this CO and just check this. There's ID 07362. Click on this ID 07362. So it will take you to that particular place. That's it, and this is really useful for my personal use cases, and I think it's really useful for anyone who use Excel daily. Have a good day.